That's called the sound effects library. So we've added sound effects to Lumen 5. Now, this will work with anything that you have that you can drag and drop and move onto the screen. So if we have different elements, so stickers, icons, different texts, and charts, which I'll cover a little bit more later, you can add sound effects to each of these. So if I have a specific piece of text coming in, and we've talked about the scene intro and exit times before, which you can set here just by selecting the specific text you want or the text box you want to have come in at a specific time. I can change the timing, but then I can also select the sound effects right here. And now I can select a different sound effect to come in as that specific text box populates. So I'll hit alert. I can listen to it. Maybe I don't want that one. Maybe I want something a little bit more like this. Sure. I'll hit apply. And now as I preview the screen,
B2B marketers love video.
You kind of hear it in the background there. So you can go in and change these. We have lots of different, effects. We can remove the effect or we can edit and go in and change it. There's lots of different sound effects we have within the tool. Again, this is a new feature. Just like many things with Lumen 5, we'll add to it. This will evolve and become more robust, but this is kind of the first iteration of this feature. Perfect. So that's kind of the sound effects feature. Now you'll also notice that there is a count of how many sound effects are on the scene. If I drag and drop this up and bring in maybe an element, I'll set a scene timing for this, and then I'll also add that sound effect to the element. You'll notice now 2 sound effects on the scene. So yeah, that's our sound effects feature.